Yeah, that's the sound of a not successful ride because we have a flat tire. I'm just going to quickly remove this. That's how easy it is. We've got our wheel off. Where do we start? At the beginning. The beginning is where you put your hands just where the valve is. We want to break the bead off of the rim. So we just quickly push this off and it makes some little snap, crackle, pops as it's supposed to. Now that we have taken that off, we need our trusty tire levers that we had in our back part of the bag. If you're new, you might use a few, but since I'm a professional, I'm only going to use one. I'm going to put this tire lever in between the tire and the rim. I'm going to use my hand and push away, and this easily is removing the tire. This off of the rim, like so. That's all we need to do. Now we're going to take out our tube. And what we're going to do is grab our new tube out of the box. Voila! Here's our new tube. We want to inflate the tube a little bit because out of the box there's no air in it whatsoever and it's a little bit flat. We just put a little bit of air in there. We're going to take our tube and we're going to install it back in our tire. Make sure the tube is totally in there and it's not sticking out from the tire at any point. Start pushing the bead of the tire back on the rim, starting from the valve side. We can see that we're getting to the point where there's just a little bit that's hanging off the rim here. All you're going to use is a little bit of grip strength and you're just going to roll this on with no problems. Now that we have this on, we need to apply air. Now in most cases you're going to have a little CO2 cartridge or a little hand pump with you. Because I'm in the store today, I'm going to cheat and use a floor pump. Instead of just standing there holding this to pump it up, we have our bike upside down, which works like the best mechanics repair stand in the market anywhere you go. Then the last part here is we're going to pump this up. Sigh for the rider here. Pop, that means that the bead is on the rim. These are alarming to some folks, but that's the sound of success when you actually have it seated correctly. And now we're going to remove this and we can spin to win. We can see that it's seated correctly. But the last stage is make sure that you close the valve. Otherwise, the air will still come out. Now we can successfully finish the tour with our tire inflated. If you have any questions or concerns, please come see us at BowCycle. Otherwise, there'll be lots of people to help you on the tour.